Maybe get your little hoo-ha's a little wet, you know. Get a little powder, grinding. Maybe you got a man, maybe a double click in the house. We don't know. We don't know how it's going to go.
Don't let him give you the wrong impression. I'm gonna sing some real shit for you guys. Don't let him give you the wrong impression. I'm gonna give you some things.
This is an original song written by this man. It's called Distracted by the Pain.
Yeah, this is real life. This is some real life.
I was lucky enough to be a part of it. I'm very thankful. So I hope y'all enjoy.
Seems like one day you was here.
Guys, I need a break.
The next day you're not. And all those left material. Come on, y'all know this. If you don't, enjoy.
Where's all my ladies at?
Look. Tell me what is your secret? Tell me how did you do it? How did you forget a love as if you never knew it? How did you fight the pain, wipe my tears and walk away? Never thought about the mental state you leave me in. Now it seems like my life has no direction. I know there's love in my heart, but all I feel is aggression. All this frustration replacing what I once felt for you. But still there's hesitation to move on with someone new. I try to move on, to stay strong and never let. I tried, but I just wasn't going nowhere. Feels like I'm going in circles, it's like I'm running in place. Feels like my walls are closing and it's like I live in a safe. Feels like my mind is so distant, it's obvious something's different. I just don't feel the same, distracted by the pain. I miss it when you call me up and tell me that you love me. Tell me am I asking too much to want you to always be there? I wish this wasn't how it was, but it seems like now not much can be done. Cause you got exactly what you wanted, and it sucks cause you're the only one. The only one, yeah. Tell me where do you keep it? Tell me where does it hide? Where do you keep it when you keep it bottled up inside? Did you walk away? I hold my fears and stayed away. Still dealing with the mental stress you left me. Yeah, now I feel my heart won't ever recover. I know there's love out there, but all I see is the trouble. All the cheating, all the lying, all the fake I love you. All those people in a hurry to move on with someone new. Tell me why you moved on. It's all gone so badly. Why? Tell me. She said we just wasn't going nowhere. Feels like it happened on purpose. It's like it's supposed to be. These are the things that she told me that eat away at me. Feels like I'm calm on the surface. No one knows inside I'm hurting. I just don't feel the same. Distracted by the pain. I miss it when you call me up and tell me that you love me. Am I asking too much to want you to always be there? I wish this wasn't how it was, but it seems like now not much can be done. Hey, cause you got exactly what you wanted, and it sucks cause you're the only one. The only one, yeah.
Didn't want to see it end this way. Rain falling down on a Wednesday. Restless days, endless days. Chest gets tight, stress gets tight. We sleep just a prep for the next fist fight. Rip tight, gripping on the necklace like, please come back, we can settle it tonight. We can make this right, but no, you're still wrong. No facts on the right, and we're still wrong. Late nights, I'm a skill song. Every verse the same, I gotta blame you. Fans saying I changed, but I'm the same dude. It's a shame you couldn't accept what I gave you. Saying enough, I hate you. Let me take you back to the night you swore that baby boy I would never forsake you. Guess that escaped you, and it's still fine. Play away, but you promised it was all mine. What's between me and you, such a small line. I was getting on the balls now. Never mind, rush me to the side now. Every other guy's not me when you lie down. Love's going, so I'm saying my goodbyes now. Off to the show, it's a whole nother lifestyle. Hit the lights down, let the black fade. When the show's done, baby, I'll be backstage. Baby, what we have is never that great. Bring it back days, get the facts straight. From the first night, right to the last day. Bring days of the lives you with that fate. You and me, all with a bad fate. Let the pain put me in a backstage.
you to always be there. Want you to always be there. It wasn't how it was. It seems like now not much can be done. Now it seems like not much can be done. That's exactly what you wanted. Cause you're the only one. And it's such good you're the only one. Yeah.
I'm a little upset. I had to cut a song out of my set.